Hello, my name is Jessie, and today I'll be showing you how to create a certificate. A certificate can be awarded to a user automatically upon successful completion of a course. This is an optional function, and you do not have to have all the courses yield certificates. In simple terms, the certificate is a background image that contains everything that would normally be static, like a company logo, border graphics, and some text. Once a background image has been created, then you will simply drag and drop dynamic data fields where they belong. This will typically include the user's name, the course name, and the date of completion. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom certificate that will automatically be awarded upon successful completion of a course. This tutorial will assume that you already know how to size your background image properly. If you would like more information on sizing images, please visit our branding tutorial. Now, let's get started. Once you are logged in, you can add a new certificate in the Content Admin/Catalog Manager settings page. To do this, click Add the Certificate button. You will be brought to a form. Pay attention to the image types and size of the certificate image. The image you are loading here should only contain static images that are meant to be on all certificates. You will be brought to a page that has a certificate template. From here, you can select additional fields that you would like to see on the certificate at the bottom of the page. Once the fields are available, you simply drag them to where you want them on the certificate and click Finish. After dragging and dropping the fields, this is what it may look like. Notice the static text that is contained within the certificate images that was uploaded. This includes course credits, training administrator, and completion date. These are static fields that need to appear on all certificates for this example, as well as the admin's signature. Once you have the fields where you want them, click Submit to save. Now select the courses that you would like this to yield a certificate. Click Finish and the certificate is now assigned. If you would like to assign the certificate to courses late, you can come back here or do it on the course details page. This is a view of the user's transcript. It shows the completion in the table with a certificate icon indicating that a certificate was awarded for the completion of this course. When the user clicks the icon, a PDF version of the certificate will be displayed and can be printed. Thanks again for taking the time to learn how to use our learning management system. Please let us know if you need any additional help. You can contact us at ezsupport@ezlcms.com. Have a great day.